As predicted, I could not video how to actually upload to YouTube. So I went ahead and did a bunch of screenshots. So I put it together here in this PowerPoint. Hopefully this will take you. Once you finish your screencast video, then this is how I upload to YouTube. Again, you have different options, but this is just how I do it. So I've got right now, you can see that my screen looks different than the other one. I have the box just around the PowerPoint slides that I'm using rather than showing my full screen. So again, this shows you the flexibility with this Screencast-O-Matic and how you can adjust what you want students to see. Okay, so once I clicked down in the bottom of where I was videotaping, there was a red running clock down here that showed me what my time was, and there was this red record button. And when I was done, I clicked it and it stopped. Immediately when it stops, you get this right here. You don't get the red arrow, but this is what you see, and you can see what your time is. And if you don't like your video, or if my dogs start barking in the middle of my video and I have to stop, then I just click the trash can and get rid of it and I start over. But if you get through your video and you want to keep your video, then you click the done button right here. So once you click the done button, the next screen that pops up is this one. What's next? Do you want to save and upload? Do you want to share the link, or do you want to edit the video? Well, although I teach online classes, I'm not that great technologically, and so I don't edit my videos. I just don't have the time, and I have not looked into how I actually cut and paste all my videos together. So I don't do that. I click save and upload. That's what I want to do. Once my video is done, I want to get it ready. I want to get it onto my Blackboard. So I click right here, save and upload. Once I click save and upload, this is the screen that shows up. So if I want to, I can click this button over here and I can go back and I can listen to my whole video. So I do that particularly if I think I made a mistake. Because I'm trying to get this up quickly, I did not go back and listen to the video I just made for you. So if there's errors, I'm sorry. But this is where you can go back and you can click and see if this is what you actually want to upload. So then here are your choices over here. You can save it as a video file, you can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, or you can upload to YouTube. And that's what I do. I click upload to YouTube. That way I know I can go back in, I can get those videos anytime I want them. I have a simple URL that I can share with my students, and they're always available. Some of my students have actually found, I keep them unpublished, but some of the students have found where all my videos are. So in any case, this is what I do, is I click upload to YouTube. The next screen then is this one. It says YouTube. Now, one thing, privacy, I keep it public, but I don't tag it. I don't put a description. I don't put anything in it. So it's available if a student needs to go and find it, but I don't publish it anywhere to make it show up on YouTube somewhere. And then right here where it says title, I click on that, and then I can add whatever title I want for my YouTube video. And that's how I want it to show up. So that's what I do. So I changed it. This is Introduction to Screencast for Instructors. That's what I named the video that I just made. And then I click publish. So I change the title, I keep it public, and I click publish. And that's it. And once it's publishing, this is the screen that you will see. And it just goes all the way through until you hit 100% over here. And just keep going. Let it go and let it go. And when it's finished, this is what it will look like. It looks published to YouTube. What I do at this point is I click copy link. Usually I'm making the videos when I'm working in Blackboard, and I can copy it directly into Blackboard, and that saves my video. And again, if I ever need it, I know where it is. It's on YouTube, so I can always get that link. But I do copy link. What I did while I was making this video is I just opened a Word document and I just put, okay, here's the title, and then here's the link for the YouTube video. So you could also make a Word document that keeps a list of all your videos and all your links so they're readily available. But that's what I did just so that I can use that link when I'm building this Blackboard for you. So that's it. Once I do copy link, I click done and my video is up on Blackboard. So let me show you how I do that. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to shrink it because I haven't saved it. And I'm going to open Blackboard back up, and I think I'm going to have to adjust. I don't know if I can adjust it. Yep, I can. No, it's not going to let me adjust this while I'm videoing. Nope, it just lets me move it around. So let me go back to this video. This is the one. This is the site that we are creating for instructors. So for instructional video, then I'm going to click to instructional videos. I'm going to do upload web link. I'm not going to embed this right now. And I'm going to do introduction to screencasting. I'm just going to leave it there. So let me, whoops, wrong one. Let me go back to my, sorry. Of course, when you want it to work, it doesn't work. Let me go back and grab my URL, and I'm going to copy that. I'm not going to save it because I know where it is, and I'm just going to type it in here, paste it back in, and I'll do a little description. You can see my bad typing skills here. There you go. And then I can publish it. And then there's a link and it will take you directly to the video. There you go. So that is how you can add, oops, and if you spell things wrong, you just have to go back in and edit them. So that is how you would do a screencast video that you could add to Blackboard. And hopefully the videos have been helpful and you can go back and rewatch them. You have my email. You can always send me emails and we can talk by phone, we can talk by FaceTime, and I can show you. So just let me know what you need to get started with some of this online teaching. So we are all here to help and support you and support our students. So just let us know what we can do. And we'll continue to build this organization on Blackboard and put up as many tools and videos that we can to help you get through the rest of the semester. By the end of the semester, we're all going to be experts in online teaching, so that will be fabulous. Let me know what I can do to help.